The Maverick makes another spade is a spade call this evening as we ask what the devil is happening this time with Jamaica's cricket team. Them come second to last in the just concluded regional 4-day tournament and started 0 from 2, losing their first 2 in the ongoing Super 50 tournament. Within the wider rubbish of West Indies cricket, this is disgraceful for a Jamaica cricket team, and automatically Coach Robert Samuels must answer some questions. What is your explanation, Coach? What won with the cricket? We're not used to them kind of last place and second to last place thing. We are used to dominating regional cricket. We now have 5 straight titles on them thing there with some of these same players. It seems everybody else in the region is improving and Jamaica cricket go back where? If Nikita Miller don't bowl alongside, Jamaica cannot win a match. We're not producing any new batting stars, and we have something against fast bowlers. What we are doing the cricket, coach? Even the Jamaican players trying to break into or stay in the West Indies team. We're not getting nothing out of these in regional cricket. And you know the West Indies selected them don't like Jamaican already. These kind of non-performances will make it worse. I think it's time for the Jamaica Cricket Association to evaluate the performance of Coach Robert Samuels. We're not using the words fire or dismiss. But West Indies cricket cannot be so poor, and Jamaica so poor within such poor cricket. I think it's time for Robert Samuels to give Jamaica's cricket a thing named the step. Sit down.